The competition has never been more serious for Ethereum in terms of defending its market share. The last few months has seen just an explosion of innovation across the entire cryptocurrency industry, a host of blockchains coming in. We have new DeFi on new chains, new NFTs on new chains, new token sales, new launchpads, and much, much more, all starting to go into a multi-chain reality. Many protocols are integrating multiple chains, and more the dominance of Ethereum is slipping as, of course, it struggles to update itself and lower fees and make the user experience better. And to be clear, this is Lark. I'm a massive Ethereum bull, and I believe that Ethereum can and will deliver on its promises to scale. But until that happens, I think there is an incredible investment opportunity with other smart contract platforms. And of course, you guys know that I believe in the one network, many chains theory. That is what is the reality of what's actually being built out right now. In this video, I will highlight some of my favorite smart contract platforms that are staking their claim to a bit of market share. As mentioned, my name's Lark, and every day I make videos on investing in cryptocurrency. So if that's something you want to learn more about, I highly recommend that you subscribe to the channel and click on that little notification bell right down there to stay up to date when I put out a new video. By the way, every single week my team and I produce Wealth Mastery. It's an investor report. We designed it to help you cut through all the noise and to help get an edge on the market. So every single issue of this investor report, we're doing a deep dive on an altcoin, a step-by-step DeFi tutorial, a trending coin analysis, technical analysis on the markets, an interview with an industry leader, and much, much more. All of that for less than $10 a week, making this the most value-packed and at the same time the most affordable investor report on the market. Click on the link down below in the description where you will learn more and be able to become a member today. Okay, let's go ahead and jump straight into this. The first and the most obvious at this point blockchain, which has already managed to capture market share from Ethereum, it's the BINANCE smart chain. And while yes, it does leave a lot to be desired in terms of its centralization issues, it has still managed to capture 15% of the DeFi total value locked in just the last few months. No other blockchain at any point has managed to capture such a large market share from Ethereum. And you can see why. The fees are dirt cheap. There's loads of applications to use over on BSC, PancakeSwap. It's fast, it's simple, it's a pleasure to use. It's offering a good experience for users. Fast, cheap, friendly. It's what people want. And it's little surprise that Ethereum has lost market share to BSC. The message from users, it's very, very clear. The new people coming to the market, they don't want to pay 50 or $100 for a swap on Uniswap. They want access to DeFi. They want access to yield. They just want it to be cheap to interact with the chains. I mean, seriously, if you're an average investor, you're bringing in, I don't know, say $200 a week into the market, max, right? That's if you're doing pretty well. $200 a week to invest in the market, nice. Are we really to expect that investor to throw half of their investment every single week away just to make one freaking swap on Uniswap? No, it's crazy. It's crazy, right? This is why BSC has taken off. People want yield without the soul-crushing fees. And if you can afford fees on Ethereum, then congrats, you're doing pretty okay. The next chain I want to discuss is Terra Luna. Now, this is another one that has managed to kind of storm onto the market and actually capture market share. That's the important thing. You got to be capturing the market share and provably doing so. This, like Binance Smart Chain, was actually built using the Cosmos SDK, the software development kit. In fact, a lot of the top DeFi protocols actually use the Cosmos SDK to build their blockchains, since the protocol, it's secure and of course it's super, super fast. Anyway, it's a bit of a digressing there. Terra has two major applications which have just been slaying it in terms of getting users. Mirror Protocol and Anchor Protocol. Now, Mirror Protocol, this is a synthetic stock platform. So basically it allows you to be a market maker, but for the stock market, which is crazy. which is crazy. Me personally, I am using Near Protocol. I currently have a big bag of synthetic Tesla stocks that I'm actually providing liquidity for. So half of it's in Tesla, half of it's in dollars, providing liquidity, market making. It's earning around 300% a year right now, which is loco. Mir has all of the top stocks, Twitter and Microsoft and Google. Coinbase will probably be on there in a few days. It's now a top 20 platform by total value locked, which is incredible for a non-Ethereum based protocol. Then there's Acre Protocol. It's a stablecoin platform. Currently the rates are like 20% a year on dollars, which again, totally crazy and really, really easy to use. I think that this is a chain, Terra is what chain that we're going to hear a lot more about, and which will continue to siphon away market share so long as they continue providing products that people want to use at affordable prices. The third coin on our list is Solana. I did a full review on Solana last week. If you want to learn more about that, go and check that video out. But long story short, this is a blockchain with 50,000 transactions per second and some of the biggest names in crypto putting their money behind it. Its DeFi ecosystem is already exploding. Loads of stable coins, lots of different DeFi protocols now operating on the Solana blockchain. The upcoming Solana launchpad should help kickstart probably what's going to be an incredible wave of FOMO of new launches coming to the Solana blockchain. So all the stuff that's on Ethereum, all the stuff that's on BSC, it's going to come to Solana pretty soon. Of particular note, though, already we have Serum, which is the premier Solana decentralized exchange. And we also have something called Radium. This is a big up and coming Uniswap-like exchange on Solana. And of course, a liquidity service provider, much like Uniswap does. Both of these platforms, Radium and Serum, have more than $300 million of total value locked right now, although they are lagging behind DeFi on Ethereum and BSC and even Terra. We have to admit that the Solana-based DeFi, it's catching up quick, it's getting noticed, and with the success of the ecosystem, of course, comes the success of the primary Solana coin itself. The fourth coin on the list today is Polkadot. Obviously, the total ecosystem for Polkadot, it's just what's being built is incredible. I've never seen such a level of excitement from developers and from investors to build on a blockchain which has not even fully yet launched its network capabilities. There are probably right now around, I would say, approximation of 200 different projects building on or saying they're integrating with Polkadot, getting ready to deploy their projects there as soon as those parachains do go live. And when parachains go live, I expect that we'll see many other players announce integrations with Polkadot. We've seen this happening with, for example, Ethereum-based projects doing integrations with the BINANCE Smart Chain. This stuff's already happening. These applications, they don't tend to be chain maximalists. They tend to look where the opportunity and the liquidity is. But with such a big ecosystem ready to go, I think that Polkadot will be uniquely situated to actually be able to come in and capture some serious market share in a very short amount of time, possibly a record short amount of time. Remains to be seen, but I think there's a lot of promise here for Polkadot. To launch parachains on Polkadot, it is going to be one of the biggest events of the year for the blockchain world. That being said, parachains are not live yet, and every day that parachains are not launched is the day that competitors like Solana or Binance Smart Chain or Terra or others suck away market share that could have gone to Polkadot. But one thing does seem clear, that parachains are going to be out before ETH 2.0 is completed. Probably a long time before that. And finally on the list today, our good old buddy Cardano. Currently, there are almost no user-focused applications built on Cardano due to the lack of smart contract functionality, although we do have an NFT ecosystem, which is starting to come to life for Cardano, which I think is pretty exciting to see that innovation already happening, people pushing that in there, making it into reality. So you might be thinking to yourself, wait, hold on a second, WTF Lark? Why not include another chain like Avalanche, for example, which actually has users today, which actually has applications today? Well, there's one simple reason you should not be counting out Cardano. It's the level of hype in the dedicated community for Cardano. Absolutely massive. Absolutely massive. Cardano is one of the top blockchains in terms of having a highly motivated and highly enthusiastic user base. I, for one, would not be keen to bet against the Cardano community. They've proven time and time again that they are very, very excited about what is being built for Cardano, and you have all those people basically there ready to use applications as soon as they do go live on the Cardano network. And with the mainnet for smart contracts currently thought to be happening as soon as August, Cardano, then it seems not very far away from being able to stake its claim to market share for users, for DeFi, for NFTs, and for everything else under the blockchain sun. In fact, there are now even launch pads coming for Cardano to help pump up the Cardano ecosystem, help launch those new projects to get them ready for when smart contracts come later this year. I'll share some more info on this particular topic of coming Cardano launch pads in a video soon. And yes, in terms of capturing market share, Cardano definitely has the most work to do, but Cardano is now closer than ever to releasing the power of its ecosystem. Q4 will be a very, very interesting time for Cardano. Anyway, your question for today: what one blockchain do you think has the most chance to steal the most market share from Ethereum in 2021? Is it one of the coins that I mentioned here today, or is it another one that you think we should all be paying attention to? Let us know down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.